Chit Zone Life. We're gonna walk 6th Avenue all the way. Okay. The time now is about like 6:30 in the morning. And this is how it looks like. It's early in the morning, guys. Early in the morning. Stay with me. Enjoy this video. If you're new here, this is Zone Life and streaming live from New York City. Okay, we're streaming live from New York City. Stay tuned and enjoy the walk. It's a little cold. It's a little cold, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. It snowed last night, but it's a little bit of snow last night. Yep. Some people are going to work. Others getting off of work, and some people are just minding their own business. Yep. These are city bikes. You know, you could rent a city bike and take a tour around New York. Some people use it to go to work. Okay, some people use the city bike to go to work. Ain't nothing wrong with it. We just walking around. Walking on 6th Avenue, okay, Avenue of America. Let's see right here. Yeah. And that tall building right there, that's the Empire State Building. Empire State Building. Okay, we're gonna go to 34th Street by Macy's, and I'm gonna show you guys Macy's. All the way down over there, there's Madison Square. Okay, Madison Square, Penn Station, my fault, sorry about that. Penn Station. You can tell I had my cup of coffee this morning. It's early this morning, guys, and it's cold outside, but other than that, should be good. Okay. Nice, beautiful day. This is 34th right here, 34th Street West. If you head that way, you're gonna see the Empire State Building. Okay. Let's go down this way. That's the train station. You got the B, D, F, M, N, Q, R, W trains right here on 34th. Right next to Macy's. Okay. Yep. It's an early morning walk. We're just walking NYC.